Hi there, it's Patrick from Yesplan here. I'm just going to take you through how you can set up a new event in Yesplan. So looking at my main house on this 25th of July, I'm just going to create a new event there. I'll give it a name and I'll put some timings in for it as well. So we're going to have it running from 1930 to 2200. So there we go, we've got a new event. I'm going to change the status to pencil because we've still got some details to confirm, and so that's changed it to that light yellow colour. And I'm going to change the profile to performance, and now it's got a border that's dark blue. I'm going to add some further details, so I want some resources in here. You'll notice that I've got a charge for the main house location in there, and I want to add some additional resources, so I need some microphones, and I'm going to add some of those. So I'm adding 5 of those. You'll notice that I've got a maximum number of 4 there, so let's see what happens when I do that. And here we go, it's got a little exclamation mark next to it showing a conflict, not enough resources. We haven't got enough of those radio mics. We knew that, it's not a big surprise, and I'm just actually going to change that here. Nice and easy to edit that down to 4. I also want a Samsung projector, so it's one of those that I want. I'm just going to add that onto my list there. That's in there as well now. So next thing I want to do, I want to add some contacts. So internally within my own organisation, I want to add the programmer. So I've got Wim there, who's the programmer. Externally, the contacts are for the producer. We've got that as SJM. That exists in my system already. And I've got a name for the agent for the performer, and this is Sarah Coles. I'll just start typing it, and I can see that that doesn't appear on my system at the moment. So I'll just create a new account for Sarah, and she's a person, and she is an agent. So I'm actually just going to add that as a role in there. Next thing I want to do is I want to generate a booking confirmation. So I'm just going to generate that. And what will happen at this point is it's collecting information from around the system. So from the contacts database, from the resources database, and the event itself, it's collating all that information and populating a PDF format here, which we can now download. And I can open that up nice and easily like that, just by clicking on it. And you can see that in the format of a confirmation or quote like this, we can have a background graphic and continuation sheet graphic as well if we want to put it in there. It's pulling through all the details of the event, including the location details, all the resources. It can have a sign-off sheet, it can have further terms and conditions, and all of this information is stored against the various records within the database. Also, if I want to share this, I can just do this little copy link here, and now if I wanted to send it through to one of the contacts that we've already logged in here, say that sjmpromoters@test.com, I can just click on that. It will open up my mail program, and I can copy that link to the document directly into here and send that straight off, no problem at all. If I'm a programmer, I'm working with a lot of optional events in the system, I can use a part of the system here that generates a view of those in a list form. So I'm looking at all of my option events within 21-22 season. Just click on that link there and it'll take me through to that view. So here we go. And I might want to pick up one of these events. I'll pick up this first one just by clicking on it. And if I change that from an option to a confirmed status, then it will disappear out of my listing now when the data refreshes. So you can see how you can work with these data views as a to-do list. Very, very handy. So you can focus right in on the things that you need to within the system. The other way that we can use these data views is to actually look at perhaps some financial data. So if I look at something like this that's got deal and settlement information in it, it's listing this out for an orchestral series that I've got going on. These are all our various deals and splits and all of the ticketing data flowing back into there. I just want to view that in Excel so I can export that. It'll download this file and then I can upload this in my Excel program here. So I can just click on the upload button here, find the document that I want, open that up, and then obviously I can carry on with manipulating that data in Excel with pivots, calculations, whatever else I might want to do to that. So hopefully you can see the flow of information right from setting up the event through to analysing the data at the end is very straightforward.